Want to use apps that block VPNs without compromising security? Let's break down split tunneling VPNs and how to stay safe. So, what is the split tunneling VPN and why use one? Split tunneling lets you route selected apps or websites through the VPN, while others go direct to the internet. That way, VPN blocked services like banking or some streaming apps still work and everything else stays encrypted. Does bypassing the VPN expose those apps to risk? Technically, yes. Traffic outside the VPN won't be encrypted by the VPN, so ISPs or local networks can see it. But if you only bypass trusted apps, like for example your bank, the rest of your traffic remains protected. How can I access blocked services and stay protected? Use a VPN like Speedify with a bypass feature. It detects VPN blocked sites and offers to let just that traffic bypass the tunnel while keeping all other connections securely bonded and encrypted. Will split tunneling weaken VPN protection if connections fail? Not with Speedify. It bonds multiple connections, Wi-Fi, cellular, Ethernet, even Starlink, so the tunnel stays alive. Your split tunneled traffic continues safely and your VPN sessions remain uninterrupted. Is split tunneling safe for corporate or public Wi-Fi? Only if you bypass trusted apps selectively. Exclude just the blocked service and keep everything else encrypted. For risky networks, avoid wide bypass rules and never send all traffic outside the VPN. Split tunneling gives you control without compromising security. Use it selectively, combine it with channel bonding and automatic failover, and you can access blocked services safely while keeping your VPN strong. If you want to learn more useful tech tips, subscribe for more videos like this.